It's arrived. It's here. Subscribe, like it, or I'm not going to open it. I'm just kidding. It's finally arrived. So this one was a bit different. This had to go from Belgium to Spain because the person that I bought it off lives in Spain. Then I had to fill out this massive customs form, obviously Brexit, all that. Yeah, not great, right? And it came today. So the Tomorrowland box is officially here. Yes. So if you don't want to see what it looks like, I suggest you stop watching right now, although I would love for you to stay. But if you are going to leave, then please make sure you subscribe and you like before you do. It'd be great. Thank you. Let's get on with it. Let's unbox it. Here it is. I haven't opened it yet. We're going to open it together. Oh my god, how beautiful is this? A metal leaf. Oh, I don't know if I want to put it out. Obviously leaf, because it's leaf themed this year. Let me bring it closer. There's like a pendant leaf there. I think you open it from underneath actually, but never mind. Here we are, opening this. So there is my beautiful bracelet. Put this down, let me show you. There it is. Now this actually, like I said, it isn't my bracelet. This is going to somebody else, but I'm not going to get mine until I get there. So this is just a day ticket bracelet. My Magnificent Greens one is going to be a different colour. Yeah, just things of beauty, and I've got 2 more up there from the other times that I've been. So that's what we've got. We've also got a necklace which is super cute, and it says "Love Tomorrow." Oh, so it's the Tomorrowland slogan. So it's live today, love tomorrow, and unite forever. Tomorrowland. So I don't know if you can see that. Very cute, very well made as well. It feels very strong, which is good. They don't do anything cheap. Tomorrowland never does anything cheap, so you can see the quality in that. Love it. Oh, God, I'm so excited. And then it says, prepare for your Tomorrowland journey. Scan the QR code for all the information. Check the main buyer's Tomorrowland account before you give the bracelets to your friends. Yeah, Tomorrowland edition. This is, it's a special box, but I want to see if there's any way to get that metal pendant out. Do you break it out? There we go. It's a leaf. Oh my god. It goes on here. So on this bracelet, you attach that onto there, and you got that. So I've got this bracelet that I wore both times I've been, and I was like, I'll take that, but this might be the necklace that I wear this time. How pretty. What other festival does this? Like, what other festival actually does this? None. None of them do. None of them are this good. None of them have this much detail. None of them are have this much quality. This festival is the best festival in the world. If you go to this festival first, like I did, it was the first ever festival I went to, like proper one, you will consistently compare it to Tomorrowland for any other ones you go to for the rest of your life. But yeah, this is the bracelet. I'm just seeing though if there is anything else in here, but there isn't. See you later. Like it, subscribe. If you want to see me go live for the festival stage again, like I said, drop it in the comments. And if you see me at the festival, and if you somehow weirdly, which you probably won't recognise me, come say hi, because I'm going to be recording there as well, and hopefully you can get in some of the videos. So yeah, peace and see you later.